For many Covington homeowners, creating a more comfortable, airy, and energy-efficient living space starts with choosing the right windows. Awning windows, known for their top-hinged, outward-opening design, have quickly become one of the most popular window styles in the area. Their ability to deliver superior ventilation, even in less than ideal weather, makes them a standout choice for homeowners who want to keep their homes fresh and comfortable year-round. So why exactly are so many Covington residents opting for awning windows? Here are the top reasons driving their growing popularity. Outstanding ventilation that works all day. Awning windows are specifically engineered to maximize airflow. Because they open outward from the bottom, they allow fresh air to enter from multiple angles, even when only partially opened. This helps circulate air more efficiently than many traditional window styles. In Covington, where warm, humid days can make homes feel stuffy, this enhanced airflow makes all the difference. Homeowners love that awning windows bring in consistent breezes, improve indoor air circulation, reduce reliance on air conditioning, help remove indoor heat and odors. Whether installed in living rooms, bedrooms, or kitchens, they create a more refreshing indoor atmosphere with minimal effort. Ventilation. Even during rainy weather, Covington's weather can shift quickly, especially during rainy seasons. One of the biggest advantages of awning windows is that you can leave them open even when it's raining. Their unique design creates a natural canopy that keeps water out while still letting fresh air in. Homeowners appreciate this built-in weather protection because it allows them to enjoy ventilation without worrying about sudden rain entering the home, water damage, indoor humidity buildup. This feature alone makes awning windows a favorite in areas where rain showers come and go throughout the day. Ideal for hard-to-reach and tight spaces. Many Covington homes have areas where traditional windows don't work well, such as over kitchen sinks, in bathrooms, or in hallways. Awning windows are perfect for these tight or elevated spaces because they're easy to open with a crank mechanism and don't need extra clearance inside the room. This makes them especially useful for kitchens needing steam ventilation, bathrooms requiring moisture control, basements needing airflow, small rooms lacking wall space. Their versatility offers homeowners more flexibility when planning renovations or upgrades. Excellent for improving indoor comfort. Awning windows are designed to draw fresh air upward and inward, helping maintain a steady, comfortable indoor temperature. When placed strategically, such as opposite other windows, they help create cross ventilation, which is one of the most effective ways to cool a home naturally. Covington homeowners often find that rooms with awning windows feel cooler, less humid, more breathable, less dependent on cooling systems. Better natural ventilation means better comfort, and awning windows deliver exactly that. Safety, privacy, and style in one window. Ventilation doesn't have to come at the cost of privacy or security. Awning windows offer a nice balance of both. Because they can be positioned higher on walls, they allow plenty of airflow while still maintaining privacy, especially important in bathrooms or street-facing rooms. Homeowners also appreciate that awning windows provide secure ventilation when partially open, come with sturdy locking systems, offer sleek, modern lines that complement any home style. Their blend of practicality and design appeal makes them a valuable addition to any Covington property. A smarter way to bring fresh air into Covington homes. Awning windows offer many advantages, but improved ventilation remains the reason Covington homeowners choose them most. Their weather-resistant design, ease of use, and ability to deliver steady airflow make them one of the most effective window styles for creating a cooler, fresher, and more comfortable home environment. For homeowners looking to upgrade their living space naturally, without relying endlessly on air conditioning, awning windows are a smart and stylish solution built for Covington's climate and lifestyle. If you're ready to enjoy better ventilation, improved comfort, and a more breathable home, awning windows might be the perfect choice for your next window upgrade.